Part of Jordan Brand's Holiday 2025 lineup, the Air Jordan 11 Rare Air delivers a striking evolution of the classic silhouette. Its deep royal blue patent leather mudguard stands out against a white leather upper, while fire red accents, on the collar Jumpman and Jordan eyelet lettering, add vibrant energy. A sail midsole meets a muslin-tinted translucent outsole, merging vintage charm with modern flair. Arriving October 1, 2025 for $235, pairs will drop via Nike.com and select retailers. Coming hot on the heels of the Gamma Blue 11 comeback, this release fuels ongoing hype around the AJ11 line. By introducing a new color narrative yet staying true to its heritage roots, the Rare Air offers collectors and sneaker lovers an opportunity to refresh their fall lineup. Balancing bold design choices with timeless AJ11 DNA, it's set to be a must-grab for those chasing both style and history in one iconic package.